Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off auto updates of our system software overnight option in Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for system update menu. Then at the top software update. We are not connected to the internet, but we don't need to right now. And next in the top right corner, 3-dot menu, then auto update, and here we have our auto update options. We are interested in auto update overnight option, so we can enable it right here using this switch to turn it on or off. Of course, we have the option to enable or to turn off our auto updates via Wi-Fi or mobile data if we need to. And that's all. Goodbye.